Welcome back to my channel, guys. So today we are going to be making delicious meat pie. It's all fun here, guys. So if you're just seeing my channel for the first time, please hit that subscribe button. For this meat pie recipe, it's going to be the general ingredients, but we're going to take it up a little bit higher. Okay, so add your flour, baking powder, and a little bit of salt. I'm also going to add some sugar to this, and now I'm going to stir gently. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and join us. I'm also going to be sharing with you an amazing secret to make a delicious meat pie. I'm going to add some butter to this. So all the measurements are on the screen and also in the description box. So now I'm going to mix everything together and make sure that the butter and flour mixture is mixed properly because you do not want your meat pie dough to feel a little bit dull. So once you have this kind of consistency, now we're going to add one egg and I'm going to mix this up properly. So for the meat pie recipe, I know you're wondering, meat pie, but it's just going to be meat. But today I'm going to be adding some chicken into this as well. So yes, it's meat. Chicken is meat, beef is meat. If you like what you're seeing, please hit that subscribe button and also like and share this video. Now, once you get this kind of consistency, we're just going to knead our meat pie dough for just less than a minute. Okay, we don't want to over knead it. So we're just going to turn this over, just knead it gently, and we are going to wrap this with a cling film and we're going to keep it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes while we prepare our meat pie filling. I'm really excited because today I really wanted to eat meat pie and I wanted to make it, a little bit different from the norm. Okay, so once we have that, I'm going to add my chicken breast into my food processor. And of course, I'm still going to be using my Bosch Multi Talent 8 food processor to mince this. This is so good, so fast, and in less than 1 minute, I had my chicken fillet. Is it fillet? Okay, no. Yeah, you shall understand. Okay, so now to the meat pie filling, I'm going to add a little bit of oil, some onions, some scotch bonnet pepper, a little bit of garlic, and I'm going to stir this. Now I'm going to add the minced chicken. If you want your meat pie to come out really nice, you need to on the filling itself. Now add the minced meat and we're just going to stir this up together till it turns brown. Your meat pie filling needs to be authentic, like it has to be great. So I added some curry and seasoning powder and allowed this to cook for some time. And you can see the color. Now this is really cooked well. I'm going to add some Irish potatoes and some carrots, and our meat pie filling is coming together gradually. Add a little bit of water and allow this to cook for some time because we need our Irish potatoes and carrot to cook well. And now I'm going to add some corn flour and water to thicken the sauce. Now, the idea for your meat pie filling is it has to have this kind of consistency. It needs to be a little bit thick. And guess what? You can have this with something else, not just for meat pie. Okay. So now that we have our meat pie from the refrigerator, it has stayed there for about 30 minutes. Now we're going to roll our meat pie and try to get the shape of meat pie. I'm actually more of a fan of puff puff and the rest, but today I wanted to make this. So I'm going to break one egg and I'm going to divide the meat pie dough into I think 6 parts. So depending on the quantity of meat pie that you want to get, all you need to do is just cut this up as I'm doing here. And now we're going to roll. And if you have a meat pie cutter, that is even much more better. So I know that people who bake a lot would have that. So you can also do that. So I'm just going to roll out one part of the dough and I'm just going to use this plate to cut out a very beautiful circle, a big circle that would be enough to, fill my pie filling. And I'm just going to add the pie filling. Guys, this chicken and minced meat filling tasted so nice. Like you need to try this recipe. This is why this is, something beautiful and nice. So I'm just going to add the filling into the middle here. And of course, you can see that this is looking really, really good. So the reason why I broke some eggs is because we need that to, that's like an egg wash. We need it to, allow the dough to stick properly and even on top when you want to bake this. So after doing that, you're going to wrap this together. Now we're going to close the circle or bring the upper part of the circle to the down part of the circle. What am I saying? But you understand what I'm saying, okay? So now we're going to fold this, and this is looking so good, so good. Now you're going to get your fork, and we're going to make that, that meat pie shape, like you're trying to seal your meat pie with the fork. I enjoy doing this. Like I can do this for 10 minutes. But of course, that is the idea. Just close up every part and do the rest, for the remaining parts of the dough to just get some meat pie. I really love the feeling. I think this was like my highlight for this meat pie. I love the feeling. Chicken and minced meat together tasted divine. You guys need to try this out. Like, you really need to try this. You can see I was doing this thing like over and over again. Please tell me to stop. But I was just so excited that I had, I was making meat pie. And this is what we have. Do not look at the meat pie by the left. It had some little malfunctioning, but whatever, we move. Okay, the most important thing is for this to come out nice. Now poke some holes in the meat pie just to allow it to cook properly, and now add your egg wash on top of it to give it that shiny look, and your meat pie is going to be ready. This is a very interesting snack that you can make for friends, for kids this summer holiday, and they would really love it. I wanted to take this recipe, to another level by adding some minced chicken to this, and it really tasted so good. The most important thing is make sure that you get the dough recipe right, and then your meat pie filling should have a very good consistency. At this point, you're still watching and you're enjoying this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I have a lot of recipes that you're going to love, and I'm so sure that you would love my videos. So do not forget to subscribe. And after baking, just take a look at this meat pie. Look at how tantalizing and delicious it's looking. I really love the color. I love the way it came out. And the taste was, oh my God. Trust me to have this with a cup of cold zobo and ice. Yeah. So this is what it looks like. And when you cut this open, you can see the meat pie filling inside. I trust you guys to try this recipe, and let me know in the comments, what you think about this recipe. Do you like meat pie, or do you prefer puff puff? So just let me know. I'll see you in my next video. I love you guys.